Planning a road trip from Boston to Niagara Falls is a fantastic way to explore the Northeast USA. With its scenic drive and beautiful surroundings, this long weekend trip through New England is a must for any family or anyone seeking a great adventure. Depending on your budget and timeline, you may want to consider renting a car one way and flying back from Buffalo. Once you're ready to hit the road, there are two main routes. I-90, which gets you to Niagara Falls in just over 7 hours without stops. It's quick and offers plenty of cultural and historical sites. And the MA2 route. This scenic option adds about an hour to your trip, but the natural attractions, like national parks, make it worthwhile. The drive from Boston to Niagara Falls packs a ton of adventures. Some must-see stops to put on your list include the USS Constitution in Boston, Old Fort Niagara, and the Lockport Locks and Erie Canal Cruise. There's even stops depending on your individual passions. For nature lovers, explore Howe Caverns and Watkins Glen State Park on the way. Brave the trails to the rapids at Niagara Whirlpool, some of the best hiking in all upstate New York. Families will love the Strong National Museum of Play in Rochester. Once you finally make it to the grand finale of your road trip, Niagara Falls, don't miss the Canadian side for the best views. Make sure you bring the proper documentation to cross the border into Canada. The roaring waters and misty rainbows are a sight to behold. Head to the Niagara Falls State Park's observation tower. From there, you can take in all three falls. Plus, it's the launch point for the iconic Maid of the Mist boat tour, which takes you right up to the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. You'll get so close you might get soaked, but it is worth it. Another must-do is the Cave of the Winds. Walking the wooden pathways to the hurricane deck at the base of Bridal Veil Falls lets you feel the fall's power up close. It's a thrilling experience you won't forget. You're just about all set to plan an unforgettable Boston to Niagara Falls road trip. All that's left to do is to download a copy of our free guide to the perfect Boston to Niagara Falls road trip. It's got all of the information on the most unique spots to visit, both on the road and once you get there. From attractions to dining, even the best towns along the way to stop and rest. Simply click the link in the description. Pack your bags, start the engine, and hit the road for the journey of a lifetime.